After stage separation, today's booster will land on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, which is currently stationed out in the Pacific Ocean. This particular booster will be returning to Earth for its 7th time, having previously supported 5 Starlink missions and the Tranche 1 mission earlier this year.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
So there we go. At this point, the autonomous flight computers have taken over the launch countdown, and stages 1 and 2 are pressurizing for launch.
This is the mission director. Go for launch.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go SDA.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
MOD chamber pressures are nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This is the Space Development Agency's Tranche 1 mission, and we just had an on-time liftoff today.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Nominal liftoff today at 4:06 p.m. Pacific Time. Coming up next, the vehicle will be passing through Max Q, which is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences...
is supersonic.
Max Q is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences the greatest amount of aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q.
Falcon 9 has now passed through that period of Max Q. So coming up next, we'll have several events happening in quick succession, starting with MECO, then stage separation, then SES-1. Main engine cutoff, or MECO, is where all 9 Merlin 1D engines shut down to slow the vehicle down in preparation for stage separation, which is where the first stage separates from the second stage. Following this, the MVAC engine on the second stage will light, which is called out as second engine start, or SES-1. This engine burn will last for several minutes and propel the second stage and the payload to orbit. So we should be coming up on MECO in 15 seconds here.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC startup.
And there's that series of back-to-back callouts there, which again were MECO, stage separation, and SES-1. Coming up shortly, we should hear a callout for fairing separation, but as a reminder, we will not be showing it on screen today. Both payload fairing halves supporting today's mission are also flight proven, with one half flying for its 4th time today and the other for its 3rd. As a reminder, today we are delivering to orbit 21 satellites provided by Lockheed Martin.
Fairing separation confirmed.
There's that confirmation of the fairing separation. As mentioned earlier, we will be attempting to retrieve these fairing halves again once they fall back to Earth with our West Coast recovery vessel, Go Beyond. We are delivering to orbit 21 satellites provided by Lockheed Martin for the data transport layer of the Proliferated Warfighter space architecture. The data transport function delivers tactical data to warfighters wherever they are in the world. These 21 satellites are the second of 10 satellite planes that make up the first tranche of warfighter capability. The Tranche 1 constellation serves as the initial warfighting capability for the Proliferated Warfighter space architecture and provides regional, persistent access to warfighters on land, at sea, and in the air for communications supporting advanced missile warning and missile tracking and beyond line-of-sight targeting. When fully deployed, Tranche 1 will consist of 154 operational space vehicles, plus 4 missile defense demonstration space vehicles.
Stage 1 FTS has safed.
Nice call out there.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there's the call out for the entry burn starting up on the Falcon 9 first stage. This burn is set to last about 25 seconds and again is slowing down the vehicle in preparation for its final burn and landing.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
There's that call out for entry burn shutdown, which marks the completion of the Falcon 9 first stage entry burn. Coming up next will be the first stage landing burn, which will start a little over a minute from now. The Merlins on the Falcon first stage are optimized for sea level, and these achieve 190,000 pounds of thrust each during ascent and descent. At liftoff, Falcon's first stage has thrust greater than 5 747 airplanes at full power. The single MVAC engine on the second stage has a much wider nozzle and is optimized to operate in space, producing over 220,000 pounds of thrust in vacuum.
Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2 terminal guidance.
Coming up next, we'll have the start of the landing burn of the first stage. The landing burn is the final burn of the Falcon 9 booster, and it's used to reduce the remaining speed of the vehicle for a gentle and precise landing on our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You.
Stage 2 FTS has safed.
We should be hearing that call out for the first stage landing burn in a few moments from now.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And there's that call out. This is the final burn that this booster will see before landing.
Landing light deploy.
I'm back shutdown.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Some awesome views there of the grid fins on our way down. And that marks another successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket. This is the 7th launch.
Nominal orbit insertion.
This is the 7th launch and landing for this first stage.